Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing accounts and apps. Sign into your parent Google account and create or link the child's Google account. Install Google Family Link on both devices and make sure Chrome on the child's Android is updated. Once done, open Family Link on your device and select the child profile. This immediate action lets you manage settings across apps and browsing. Make sure location and device access permissions are accepted so parental controls can apply to Chrome without interruptions. Next, configure the detailed Chrome filters. In Family Link, tap the child profile, choose Manage Settings, then Filters on Google Chrome. Select either allow only approved sites for strict control or try to block explicit sites for broader filtering. Add individual URLs to allow or block lists so essential sites remain accessible. Enable Safe Search to filter search results automatically. These settings explain how content is filtered and why specific sites might still appear if they bypass categorization. Finish by testing the child's Chrome. Try allowed and blocked pages to confirm behavior, then adjust site lists if anything is wrong. Also use Family Link to set screen time and app permissions so Chrome usage matches your rules. If you encounter problems, filters not applying or sites accessible, first sync accounts, ensure Family Link and Chrome are updated, and reboot both devices. If issues persist, recheck that the child is signed into the supervised account rather than a guest or different profile to ensure controls are enforced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.